Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, hello everyone. Back with me, Rido Destio. I'm a student from YIN Metro and Tadris Study English. Okay, so I will explain and discuss the material today about compound words. In my course, namely is the inferential reading course. Alright, so to find out what is about the compound words, please watch the following video. Right, so compound words. Compound words, or what are called compound words, are words that consist of two or more words that form a new word which generally has a different meaning from the original word. This compound word is very often encountered in everyday English, but not many people would think it's so important that they have to use it in written form. Was explanation is as follows. Okay, so the types of compound words is namely, the first is closed compound words. Is a compound word that combines two words into a single unit without using a space as a separator. Is the most common type of compound word encountered. The example is quicksand and the rainbow, baseball, cannot, moonlight, become, earthquake, railroad, grasshopper, butterfly, everything, anyone, elsewhere, upload, and playground. And the second one is the open compound word. Okay, so this form consists of two words separated by a space but will produce new meaning when read as a while. The example is the real plus estate become to be real estate. And anyone example is the attorney general, half brother, living room, breakdown, catch up, giveaway, rocking chair, parking lot, and bus stop. Right, so we begin to and the next of the topic discuss material about the compound words. And the third is the last is the hyphenated compound words. The third form is a word that is combined using hyphens or symbols. The example is father in law. There are have three words and in use in the one of the sentence. So in is the about the one is feather, two is in, and the three is law. And that can be to form to about the sentence is the like a feather in law. Okay, so the next anyone sentence anyone example is over the counter, follow through, part time, merry-go-round, head on, and runner up. Which in the explanation there are also two or more words, each of which has a different meaning, which when put together form a sentence and have a new meaning. Use of compound words in sentence. A rule is in the compound word material that we are discussing several compound words, and that we can change shape depending on the context of the sentence in which it is used for examples like everyday. The everyday word, if is used as a marker of time or duration, then the correct form is the open form, which in the word everyday. So the example sentence is about the I eat breakfast every day. But actually, if it is used as a noun or adjective, then the correct form is to be clause form, namely in the word everyday. Example is drinking coffee is my everyday routine. Then besides that, another rule that must also be considered is when changing the form of a compound word into a plural form, or a plural in pluralizing a compound word that needs to be converted into a plural form is the root word. For example is, if we want to make the word father-in-law into a plural form, and the part that needs to be affixed with s, so we can use the s to indicate the sentence is the plural. So in is the word feather, like is the word like in the word feather, which is the root word, so that the change becomes feathers in law instead of being feather in laws. So the correct example from the sentence is the feathers in law, and the incorrect from the sentence is feather in laws. Well, you actually gonna be remember about that. Well, so that's so enough explanation, my explanation that I can convey about compound word material. Hopefully with my explanation through this video, it can be useful especially for viewers who are studying English and to myself. And I apologize if there are so many mistakes in speaking in my explanation on the video. This is enough. I will end until wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalam wa akhiru kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.